how I think I sound. I sit by myself, talking to the moon. How I actually sound.
I sit by myself, talking to the